Boy, excuse me, is this seat taken? Girl, no, it's not. Please, go ahead. Boy, thanks. By the way, my name is Alex. Girl, nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emily. Alex, nice to meet you too, Emily. Are you waiting for someone? Emily, no, just taking a break from shopping. How about you? Alex, same here. Needed a break from running errands. Do you shop here often? Emily, occasionally. I like the variety of stores here. What about you? Alex, this is my first time at this mall. I moved to the city last month. Emily, really? Welcome to the city. How are you finding it so far? Alex, it's been great. Still getting used to everything, though. Do you live nearby? Emily, yes, I do. I've been living here for a few years now. If you need any recommendations, feel free to ask. Alex, thanks, I appreciate that. Any favorite places I should check out? Emily, well, there's a great coffee shop around the corner. They have amazing pastries too. Alex, that sounds perfect. I love a good coffee shop. Emily, you should definitely try it. So, what do you do for work? Alex, I'm a software developer. How about you? Emily, I'm a graphic designer. Looks like we're both in creative fields. Alex, yeah, that's cool. Maybe we could grab a coffee sometime and talk more. Emily, that sounds nice. I'd like that. Alex, great. I'll look forward to it. Emily, me too. It was nice meeting you, Alex. Alex, nice meeting you too, Emily. See you around.